Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Year again. I am going to walk you through a quick example of how to use Seesaw. I know that you guys have been using this a lot with Mr. Barrett in tech class, so you probably already know how to do most of this, but we're going to be using Seesaw a lot for our remote learning, so I want to make sure you know how to do all the things we're going to ask you to do. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do when you're ready to sign in, you guys know you always click on I'm a student. Okay, and then you're not going to do anything in this part with email or password. All you're going to have to do is use your code. You'll have your own code that you will always use to sign in. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like right now. You'll have this paper at home, so you'll have two choices of how you can sign in. You can use this code that I'm circling, and you can type that into the code box. Or if you're using your iPad, you can scan this picture and it will log you in. Okay, so if I wanted to scan this picture to log in, I would click on this blue button that says scan code. If I want to enter my text code, I'll just tap here. I'm going to enter my text code today. So let's see. I have to enter the whole code. Don't think it matters if I put spaces. Let's see. And then I'll click go. Oh, there we go. Okay. So now that I'm signed in, there's two things you guys are going to be using during our remote learning. So you're going to be using the activities section and the journal section. So I'm going to show you both things today. Okay, let's start with the activities. Sometimes we will create an activity that we want you to do. So when we do that, you'll click on your activities tab and you look over here, you'll see all of the activities that you can choose from. So you'll have to find the one that you're going to work on that day. Okay, I created a test activity for us that you can try after this that's called Draw a Whale. So let me show you what you would do if you wanted to do this activity. Okay, first you would make sure you were looking at the Draw a Whale choice, and then you could read the directions. Or if you'd rather have them read to you, you can click the play instructions button and you will hear me reading the instructions to you. So for this activity, the directions are to watch the example video first, then click add response to make your own. So I would first click right here so that I could watch the example video. This will pop up in a different window and you can click the play button to watch. When you're done, hit the X and you'll come back out to where we started. After you've seen the directions, you click add response. This will open up the page where we have work that we want you to do. So for example, on this one, it says it's your turn to draw a whale anywhere on the page. Don't forget when you finish your drawing, you click the green check up in the top so that it could send your response to me so I can see what you've done. Okay, so that's one thing you might be doing. Remember, that'll be under our activities tab. Okay, the other thing we might have you do sometimes is use your journal. That's the other button. When you click on journal, you'll see this green add button appears right here. Okay, sometimes we will ask you to go to your journal and draw or record a video or take a picture for us to see. So when we do that, after you click on journal, click the green add button, and then you'll be able to choose which option you would like to do. Maybe we've asked you to take a picture of your writing, or draw, or write for us, or take a video of yourself. Okay, so for example, if I wanted you to practice a drawing, you could click on the drawing button. And this you guys have done in tech class a lot, so you know all the drawing tools down here at the bottom. You can change colors, you can erase, and you can type with text if you wanted to type instead. Whenever you finish something on there, don't forget to click the green check so that it will send your work to me and I can see what you've done. Okay, have fun using Seesaw.